Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix if Microsoft Defender or Windows Defender, or also called as Windows Security, is not working on your system. In this video, we will call it as Microsoft Defender, and Microsoft Defender is the primary antivirus that came pre-installed with Windows 10, and Microsoft has continuously developed this antivirus solution which is available free of cost, and it can now offer competitive protection to your system as compared to third party antivirus solutions available in the market. So using it, you can safeguard your system and save your money which you will invest on the third party antivirus solution. To ensure the smooth working of Microsoft Defender, it is highly recommended that you install the update definitions regularly in this antivirus. And even after having latest security definitions installed, still if the Microsoft Defender is not working on your system, we will now see how you can fix it. But before that, here is a small recommendation. If you are first time on my YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to receive notification about my new videos. Alright, let us see how to fix if the Microsoft Defender is not working. So the first method is to reset Microsoft Defender. And this is actually the simplest method to solve this problem. All you need to do is open Start menu and scroll down to Windows Security. Here it is named as Windows Security. Maybe in later version it might be called as Microsoft Defender here as well. Right click on it and select More and select App Settings. This will open Settings app, and inside the Settings app it will open the settings for Windows Security. Scroll down in that window and locate the Reset heading, and inside that heading you can see this line. If this app still isn't working right, comma, you can reset it. So hit the reset button and in the confirmation prompt click reset. In the few moments you will see the progress about reset, and once the reset is complete you can see this check mark which indicates that reset was successful. So the Windows Security app is now reset and it should now work perfectly as expected. Now let us see the second method if the first method does not works for you. In this method you have to open Windows PowerShell. In Windows PowerShell, you have to simply paste this command which you can directly copy from the video description. So simply copy the command from the video description and paste it and press the enter key to let it execute. You can see that the command execution is now going on, and in the few moments the command will be successfully executed as you can see in this video. So once this command execution is completed, you can close Windows PowerShell and check with the Microsoft Defender app. It should now work as expected, and in case if you still face the issues with it, do let me know via your comments. I will try to help you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.